trouble, I'm an addict, I'm addicted to this girl. She's got my heart tied in a knot, and my
What's that? And now you're like zooming in on my ear in the camera.
More, I mean, damn, what's not to adore? I've been playing too much games, I've been listening to jazz. I call so many times, I swear she's going mad.
Oh my gosh.
Cellular will be the death of us, I swear. I
Like
swear.
so dumb. He's like, Blake's so dumb. Oh. It's been like 4 minutes. Alright, we were talking about something, and then I was like how Anthony actually wants to hang out and can hang out, and then I was like, and then she's like, my mom wants me to eat.
No.
Okay. Are you chicken? Yeah. Okay. In like 30 minutes. Scott's coming. The show. Scott's coming.
Wears me out, makes me feel like just another boy to laugh and joke about. Or even
I don't know these parts.
Calling her, I
Love to hear that voice. You How did I get? You changed the CD. Oh, damn it. Oh wait. Okay, now.
to do what?
Oh, that's that funny song. Wow. No. Oh my god. No, I don't like it. Oh, okay. Careful. Imagine a bit. What the? I need double-sided tape. Okay, no, not this one. No, I'm not doing it now.
It's your birthday, so I know you want to ride out.
The video's like
Sit on me as we sit up on my couch. Feels good, but I know we want to cry. I think you found it. Get ready for action. Don't be astounded. Switch to possession.
Okay. What CD was just on? 2. I'm gonna listen to Troubles. 2. Which one's Trouble? Number 1. Sorry now.
I'm in trouble, I'm an addict, I'm addicted to this girl. She's got my heart tied in a knot, and my stomach in a whirl. But even worse, I can't stop calling her. She's all I want and more. I mean, damn, what's not to adore? I've been playing too much games, I've been listening to jazz. I call so many times, I swear she's going mad, and that cellular will be the death of us, I swear.
Yeah, I need a camera.
Uh-oh.
Right,